All right, welcome to the student math community. And in this video, we are going to do some examples of adding integers that have the same sign. And so what's going to happen here, if you think about the number line, so here's my number line, and if you remember on the number line, we've got positive numbers this way and negative numbers this way. When integers have the same sign, that means they're moving in the same direction on the number line. So the process for adding same-signed numbers, it goes like this. You add the values and you keep the sign. So in the examples that I have here, we've got numbers that are both negative. I'm assuming that we're fairly comfortable adding numbers that are both positive, since you've been doing it probably since elementary school. If not, post that as a question on the student math community discussion board, and I will be happy to talk about it and do some videos on that as well. But in this case, I have -5 and -7. So what I do is I add the values of 5 and 7. 5 and 7 add up to be 12, and I keep the sign. They are both negative numbers, so it's -12. Done. The next two numbers, I have a -14 and a -25 that I'm adding together. And so when I add the values 14 and 25, okay, so if you need to do that on some scrap work, 4 and 5 is 9, and 1 and 2 is 3, you get 39. And then we keep the sign, so it's -39. I'm going to advance the slide one, and I have some examples there. I want you to pause the video and just take a few moments to add these three pairs of integers. All right, I hope that you paused the video and now are back. So check your work with mine. We have a -17 and a -12. 17 plus 12 is 29, and we keep the sign. It's -29. Next, I have -11 and plus. Okay, so all of these are addition problems. -11 plus -20, well, 11 and 20 is 31. Keep the sign. And last but not least, -6, -9, 6 and 9 is 15, keep the sign. So what I'd like you to do now is go to the next video about adding integers with different signs, and then I've got plenty of practice work for you after that. Good luck, and remember, the secret to being good at algebra is being really proficient with your arithmetic.